I'm your study number 1. I'm happy. I was given a task about statistics. Problem number 1. Find the S and J of the arithmetic sequence of negative rate of positive 1 plus positive 7 and 3. And the given part is of 1 equals negative 8 and equals 20 and the common difference is none. The equation we're gonna use is the equation we're gonna use is n divided by 5 times 2 is of 1 plus n minus 1 minus and here's the substitution. 20 divided 2 is 10. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. And 20 minus 1 is 19. And 19 times 9 is 171. And 16 plus 7, negative 16 plus 171 is equal to 155. So 10 times 155 is 1,500. In total, the arithmetic unit of the given sequence is of the sum is 1,500. Let's proceed to the problem number. Problem number 2. Find the sum of the first 100 positive odd vectors. So first, actually let's shortcut here. We're gonna Fn and actually the answer, but I will still gonna show you the using the formula of the problem, not the problem. It's the given. A sum 1 equals to 1 and n equals to 100. The probability is this is the solution. S of 100 equals to 100 divided by 2 times 1 plus 100 times I minus 1 times 2. So 100 divided by 2 and 2 times 1 is 2. And 100 minus 1 is 99 times 2 is 190. So if you add the 2 plus 90 to 100 and the 50 times 200 is 10,000. That's all for my report. Does anyone have a question?